Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Irish Kitchen, where I do family-friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for healthy tuna milk peppers. It has cream cheese, it has grated cheese, it has tuna, sweet corn, everything you have for a nice tasty lunch. And if you want to add some fries, you can make it for a healthy dinner. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. So sit back, relax and enjoy. And thanks for watching. So for today's video, I'm going to start off with 200 grams of wild Irish tuna, and it's in spring water. But you can use any tuna that you can get, as long as it's in spring water. We take our pepper, we slice it down the middle. Then we remove all the white pips from the inside, leaving the stalk on so that the pepper can maintain its shape. Just knock all the seeds out, and do the same with the other side of the pepper. Now that our peppers are cleaned, we're going to put them to the side and we're going to get a mixing bowl. To that we're going to add our tuna, then some boiled rice which has been cooked already, then some diced red onion, then some reduced fat cream cheese, some finely chopped parsley, some grated cheddar cheese, and some sweet corn. You can use frozen if you wish, just to frost it before you use it. Then we add some lemon juice, some salt and pepper, and then some garlic granules. Give it a quick stir around, make sure that everything is all incorporated. Set it to the side and bring over our peppers. So you put them onto a greased baking tray, and we fill them with our tuna mixture. Now if you don't like tuna, you can also do this with chicken or chorizo or even some cooked bacon. We then top it off with the rest of the grated cheddar cheese, and we bring it over to our preheated oven. We pop it into the oven for about 20 minutes until they're fully cooked. If you like yours cooked a bit softer, just cook them for another, say, 10 minutes. Now that they're ready, let's serve. So as you can see, I'm serving mine with a little tossed salad, and I like to serve them also with a drizzle of balsamic vinegar. I hope you enjoyed this video for tuna stuffed peppers. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and thanks for watching.